Hello, this is Atlee with Kinetic Audio Technology. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect your system components and restore system defaults. Alright, connecting bell packs. With a Gen 1 bell pack, you can go out of either of the digital intercom lines on the base station and daisy chain each pack together. I do recommend balancing and having an equal amount of bell packs on either line. When connecting multiple Gen 2 bell packs, you'll need a split device. I prefer using a Whirlwind Split 6, or you can use a simple XLR-Y cable. This will allow you to go out of one of your digital intercom lines from the base station and then connect multiple bell packs to the split box. You can also connect via Cat 5 or 6. This requires a PoE switch, an Ethernet module. Allows you to get a bit cleaner audio and avoid any high voltage XLR runs. Connecting a speaker station is the same as a belt pack. Simply connect via XLR or Ethernet. You can also connect a remote station via XLR or Ethernet as well, and you can check our detailed video for more information on that. Alright, now let's go ahead and power up and reset our main station to defaults. What we want to do is plug in our main station, get that powered up. Once it's cycled on, we're going to go ahead and navigate to Menu, Administration, Reset to Defaults, and I'm going to go ahead and reset all. Give that a moment to run its course, and it'll reset everything to factory defaults. And that'll wrap up this video. Thanks again for watching. This is Atlee with Kinetic Audio Technology. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos soon.